Hello everybody, this is Pete from PA Labs, and this is video day 4 on rebuilding the Wargame Studio for Linux. So today I have almost completed the MapDesigner. One of the new features doesn't work, and I've got to get it working. But I've been at this since 5:30 this morning, and it's now almost it's about 8:30 at night. So I am going to be calling it a day. So let me show you where we're at. We can lock this guy down, and I'm going to make these deliberately small, just so we get lots of nice view here. And so there we go, and you'll now notice we have an alter map here. Now I'm going to wait and do that. So first, let's go ahead out here and use some of these functions that we haven't used today or to date. What I want to do is show you a circle. So circles, you start in the middle and then drag the cursor out. I go always up a diagonal, and then that identifies what the circle's going to be. We can do rectangles as well, and it's kind of difficult to do a rectangle in a not square type environment. But I mean, you can do them this way as well. So this would be an outline, but there's not enough rows to do an outline. So we're kind of hosed on that one. Lines, well, lines can go any which way. They can go across a straight line like that as well. The next piece I want to show you is the, let me stop getting ahead of myself. Let's close this one down here. Get rid of you as well. There. Now we're back to 0. So now I can come over here and let's build a deadly forest. So we create a label, and if you're okay with the defaults, you can come in here and set them. Otherwise, you can modify it and get a whole lot of additional stuff. Such as being able to say, it would help if I hit the right key, George, and as you can see, he's showing you the label up here, and he's doing his best to give it to you down here. We'll come in here and say, let's go ahead and use italics. So that kind of comes up looking all slanty and cute. Let's go ahead and pick a nice red for the color of the text. We can pick a back color just to be different. And let's go ahead and give it a border of maybe a dark green. How about that? So there you go. Now, it's difficult to see the dark green, and it probably really won't show up over here. So we can hit save. So all our stuff is saved here. Now we want to place it, and I'm going to place George there. And then I want to move him around a little bit, and we can update him like this and get him just where we want him. And then we'll say, okay, we're done with you guys. Let's see. Oh, and we can alter the grid. So now we can add rows to the right and to the bottom. And I set this to go in 2s, kind of just because it was fun to code. I suppose I may end up putting it back to 1s, but I don't know. I'll keep it at 2s at the moment. And then when you alter, presto, you have more land to go play with. So now I guess I could do this guy. And let's do it in, we can do it in fog. There you go. drag that over here. And let's do a big block of fog. How about that? Oh. Hey. So we can see them, but we're not dragging them properly yet. So I got a bug. Yay! That'll be something to do tomorrow to get fixed along with the zoom. All right, so there's that one. And I'll show you what zoom does, and you'll see why let's just zoom it down. See how it screws the whole bottom up, and it does the inner graphics don't zoom yet. So I've got to resize the inner graphics and reposition them. And then when you zoom it back, it seems to zoom the graphics. Now they're too big. So something is definitely amiss. And that's what I got to fix tomorrow too. And other than that, I got to put in save, so it saves to the database. So that's all that's left with the MapDesigner. It's doing, I think, pretty doggone well. We'll go ahead and hit cancel because I can't save. Things are coming along pretty good. And as always, I want to thank you all very much for watching the video and sticking with me. So long.